Good evening and hi to our lecturer, Dr. Nick Nurul Anis, Binti Nick Yusof, and my fellow friends. We are from Group 1. So we are here to present our mini project for Algebra EFT 1063. So let me introduce my group members. Me, Sakthy Devi Anak Perempuan PAKIANATAN, Lam Junlok, Angelica YEOH RABIATUL ALISHA binti Muhammad REZALMAN, SHAARANY Anak Perempuan CHELLIAH, and Joy LIKIT. So let me explain my first question. So part A, find the probability that he make both goals. So here they already give that he makes a goal 65% of the time he shoots. So for the A, the event Arif is successful on his first attempt. So the probability of A is 0.65. For the B, the event Arif is successful on his second attempt. So the probability of B is 0.65. Here they already they given the probability of P given A is 0.90. So we want to find the probability that he make both goals. Probability B and A equals probability B given A times by probability A. We will get 0.585. So Ari makes the first and second goals with probability 0.85. I'll pass it to Alisha to explain her part. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sakthy. So for B, find the probability that he makes either first goal or the second goal. I use this formula to get probability A or B. And I calculate the answer. I got 0.715. So Arif makes either the first goal or the second goal with probability 0.715. Thank you. So I pass to Joy LIKIT.
Okay, thank you, Alicia. Okay, so for C are dependent, A and B are dependent because P, B, and A equal 0.585. Then PB equal 0.65 equal 0.423. Okay, so PB and C 0.423 is not equal to 0.585. So an independent are not A and B are not independent. So for question D, A and B mutually inclusive because P A and B equal 0.5 and 8.5. Okay, and A and B are mutually exclusive even if they cannot occur at the same time. This means that and B not to share any outcome and P and AB is 0. Okay, next.
Yeah, okay, Joe. So I was the one tasked to do question number 2. So question number 2 states that the mean hourly earnings Y in RM of employees at outpatient care centers in Malaysia from 2015 to 2020 can be modeled by Y equals to 0.782 T plus 15.2, where 0 is more than 0 is less than or equals to T, and less than or equals to 5, where T represents the year with T equals to 0 corresponding to 2015. So we are tasked to illustrate the model to estimate the year in which the mean hourly earnings were RM 16.75. So how I solved the question was I wrote the original model, which is Y equals to 0.782T plus 15.20. And then I substitute 16.75 for Y so that I can solve for T. So after following the equation, you can see that T is equals to around 1.98, which is around 2, estimated 2 lah. So T equals around 2. And with that, we can find out that since T equals to 0 corresponds to the year 2015, T equals to 2 will be the year 2017. Conclusively, the hourly earnings of employees in RM at outpatient care centers in Malaysia were RM 16.75 in the year 2017. That is all for my question 2. Thank you. We can move on to question 3.
Thank you, Elvin. So for my part, a company A, Sundarian Berhad, wants to maximize the profit for porcelain crucible and platinum crucible. Porcelain crucible yield a profit of 1.50 per unit, and platinum crucible yield a profit of RM2 per unit. So for the porcelain, I took it at X, as platinum, I took it as Y. So we can come up with the constraints of the X plus Y equals less than more than less than 1200, and second equation will be Y equals to less than X over 2, X minus 2Y more than 0, and third equation will be X less than 600 plus 3Y, and X minus 3Y less than 600. So if we take Z to be profit, we will maximize and we will get Z equals to 1.50x plus 2.00y. Thank you. I will pass it to Angelica.
Thank you, Sharani. So for question B, we have to draw a graph based on 3a. So for y equal to 0, for x equals to 0, y equals to 1,200. And for y equals to 0, x equals to 1,200. The line meets OX in A, 1200 and 0, and OY in L, 0 and 1200. X minus 2y equals to 0 is a straight line passing through 0, 0, and 2, 1. A graph of x minus 3y is equal to 600. So for y minus 0, minus 3y equals to 600, or y equals to minus 200. And for y equals to 0, x is equal to 600, and the line meets OX in B and OY in M. So this is the graph. The points are 0, B, C, and D. So A plus 0, Z equals to 0. A plus B, Z equals to 900. A plus C, Z equals to 1875. And A plus D equals to 2000. And next for question C, the maximum profit is 2000. 800 of porcelain crucible and 400 of platinum crucible are produced. That's all from me. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.